I'm interested to hear more about how students get involved in the community. Could you share a little bit more about the types of extracurricular activities that UC Davis students participate in?
Yeah, so our students, it is very common for students to be involved in two, three, four things outside of classes. It's pretty common for people to do kind of one sort of more academic activity like a journal or one of our competitions teams. We have a moot court, a mock trial, a negotiations team. They're typically, might be involved in a student organization that's focused on kind of the area of law they intend to practice. So there's a student, or if you're people who want to practice intellectual property, people want to practice criminal law. So it's common for a student to be involved in something like that. And then we have affinity groups, so groups that are focused on shared racial ethnic background. We have a student organization that is for students who are the first in their family to graduate from college. So the kind of that I have something in common with you in our personal background. And they do all of those things as well as these students. And I would say the only thing I always worry about with some of them is that they commit to too many things, but I think our students seem to really find that valuable and like the idea of learning in lots of different settings from lots of different people, and not just not just a classroom experience. I can learn from my moot court teammate who is, I'm 22 and I'm coming straight from undergrad. He's 45, has had a career, has 3 kids, right? We both like doing moot court, but we're hugely different and we can learn from each other. So I think students really kind of value that as both as something they just enjoy. I think that makes them happier. But I also think they appreciate it as a learning opportunity. So when we can see that in an applicant, that tells us they would probably be a good fit for us.
Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.